Hi Charmers, my name is Brett Geiglam, and I have been raving and talking about BoxyCharm for so long, but it has been a minute since I took a step back to be like, well, what is BoxyCharm? It wasn't since they launched Premium that I really took the time to break it all down box by box. So today that's exactly what we're gonna do. So if you're interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm and you have no idea what it is a monthly subscription service that, in all honesty, I treat as like my monthly birthday gift to myself. There are 3 tiers. So the first, that little red box right there, is the base box. So the base BoxyCharm box does retail. It is a $25 subscription box. It comes 12 months out of the year, and you're gonna get 5 to 6 full-size products retailing over $120 in product. Now, that is the base subscription, and if that's all you're looking for, look no further. You're gonna get everything you want and then some. Now, if you're looking for just a little bit more, every 3 months, so that's gonna be March, June, September, and December, there's gonna be a little bit of an upgrade for you, and that is gonna be the Boxy Luxe box. Now this box is double the price, but more than double the size. So for $50 every 3rd month, so 4 boxes a year, you can get over $250 worth of product in your upgraded box. Now this is not a separate subscription. This is if you want to kind of level up your base box. So again, $50 for $250, whereas the base box is $25 for roughly $120 in product. Now again, it is only 4 times a year, so it's a little bit of like a special moment, but that upgrade is so good because it's like lifestyle-y products and makeup and skincare kind of all in one. One thing I do want to emphasize, because there seems to be some confusion online, on those months, you are going to get the big box. You will not be getting both boxes. So if you are a Luxe member and you want the base box too, you're gonna have to get a second subscription, which we've all done it. And the last box we're gonna talk about today is gonna be that blue one right up on the shelf, and that is gonna be what is honestly turning into my favorite, and it is the BoxyCharm Premium box. Now the Premium box is like the base box. It is a separate subscription, so you can get both of those boxes every single month, 12 months out of the year, no issues. It's gonna be 6 to 7 full-size items for $35 with a value over $175. Now the one exception to that $175 thing is gonna be if it's a brand takeover, because there was a month, I want to say it was 3 premium boxes ago, we got a Fenty Beauty takeover with an entire box of just Fenty products, which was awesome. It was a little bit under that value, but honestly, I wasn't complaining. The items were awesome. Now, right now, it is not possible for you to upgrade your premium box into the Luxe box, but I mean, why would you only want 1 box? I mean, I get it, it's a lot, but I don't even care. I get all 3, and I am living. Now, one more thing I do want to mention is that there are taxes or shipping added in depending on your state or province, because again, BoxyCharm does ship to both the US and Canada, so depending on certain provinces or states, there are local tax regulations and things like that that have to be added in. So I know where I live, there is a tax added in, but I don't pay for a shipping surcharge. It all depends on where you are. If you do want any more information on any of that, make sure to check out BoxyCharm.com. So I think that was under 3 minutes. Did we do it? Did we get all about BoxyCharm in under 3 minutes? I have no idea. If I left anything out or you have any additional questions, feel free to check out BoxyCharm.com to answer any other questions you have. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.